Sawa kumaya. Ay, orange. Sawa kumaya.
No, Mama, wait.
Huh?
You are a monkey. You are baby monkeys.
Sakit. Sabar kita.
Oh.
Langsung bercanda Mantan ngikip betul. Mana ini kipas dan filter? Ada buat excuse ya? Kanjan, udah siapa sangat susah?
Udah.
Itu sangat filter.
Delete.
Biasa. Hey. Guys, okay, panjang. Finally, boy. Hey, ma. Hey, so bad, it's good. So come on. Bumele. Bukan. El. Apa? Nyaboy. Acan. Oh. Hawe ala apa? Ya bawa masuk case. Kana paper bag. Ini apa? Satu. Kasih. Kasih. Buku aja. Ayo kau jadi pun. Ayo. Hawe, besok boleh suami ayu.
Ma, fele pule.
Ya kan ita lapan na ita lapan.
Oh, itu na.
Hey guys. Ang finugo should sing hip. Hawe marili suami ang asulat.
Akai kona.
Ufang kam.
Ya mi cha jenge.
Haibo.
Ni adapt sa.
Ikewula hii.
Bengisho ukuthi sing hip. Sing hip. Bengisho ukuthi guys sing hip asangbo. Bengisho ukuthi guys sing hip. Where are you, Mr. Kaya? I really wish to chat with you, okay? You're having fun, yes. I'm having fun. Guys. Thank you very much, please. Thank you very much. Pull You're beautiful. Thank you very much, guys. My name.
Of course. She does. She's a queen of beauty.
Thank you, my sister. Thank you, sis. Sunu ka daro ke? Let's go, man. 3, go.
Sit down.
Angifuni. Nina ngizongikhalisa ngenkani.
You have been disqualified, so go sit down.
Angifuni.
You have been disqualified of jumping too high.
Disqualified. No, I want to go to heaven. I want to.
I thought you were gonna say heaven.
Manini, salam phansi.
You can't tell me
Salam phansi khona sokuzongqumisa. Salam phansi. Salam phansi ndeni khona sokuzongqumisa. Yo guys, I'm so happy. Hey guys. The Buhle. Hi, Enhle, I know your sis. For real. Ufunda nayo mama ngitokuthola The Buhle. Mhlawumbe congratulations, you're pregnant.
What's her name? What's her?
Shame, who's your mom? Who's your mom? Ukhona lapho wenzani la?
Ask her name.
Izoqhasha ifantana ngoba lokho ugxuma sibona amanye. Ndazovela ngempela amanyana.
Amanyala look.
Hi guys. Cani follow.
Following.
Yeah? Okay, my life. Hlapha.
The Buhle.
Hlapha. Hlapha. Hawe. Yabo. Achu.
Uzoba queen of TikTok.
Loso. Hey, guys, veyagxuma la kubi.
Sekubona vela ngama TV ukuthi the new sekubhala ukuthi indaba usuvela kuyindaba kuthiwa the new queen of TikTok.
Thank you guys for following me. Thank you very much.
Yilabo bagxuma ngibona ukuthi kubhala ukuthini.
Are you pregnant? No.
The what?
Me?
What the what?
Kade vele ube pregnant nje
Unless
guys.
you got a boyfriend.
Hey, ukhuluma inhlamba la.
Eyo extra like. Bekusuke nje ukubukisisa straight kanjani. Awudli nje wena. Udlibhitsen lot.
I once thought that uyazitshela sengiyabona ke ayitsheli mina mina
Ikholela.
ngineminyaka ngiyodwa sadumala.
Asijampe.
Ahlangana 100 kg. Oh mama.
Love you so much. I love you too, lady. Hi, yeah, kids. Thank you very much. She's the queen of us. Guys, I'm praise.
You're not different. It's not like you're
Bukanzi ubhuti wami tsopho kanjani. Ngilungisa ngisho amawiki. Yebo.
Hello. I'm coming.
So ngiyahamba mina ngoma kakhulu.
Okay, don't go. Don't you ever leave me alone.
Guys, standing follow up here.
Manje bayakhona.
Hayibo.
Una in.
Athi ngibokungibukisa. I couldn't. So.
Ngakufakela ngiyena. Ngakufakela.
Oh, ukhona ngicela ungibonele ifoni yakhe.
Ciao, ti amo. I think it goes to you.
Hello.
I feel so happy, though.
Zakijima lesi.
Anytime.
Yanina papa inyakumi panoi.
Yeah.
Yaninyakumi panoi.
Guys, they're really local.
Panoi. Yakumi panoi.
200.
KG, nabang womuth omkhulu na.
Doesn't matter.
It does, it does.
The weight will get more.
Guys, this is the outfit of today. If you be coming. Angazi kuthiwa ngithi mayibukeni kahle la. Oh la. Live nanti. We put the road. And hi guys, please follow. Hey, Madube Boxer. Hello.
Ngivonga upha konke. Kuro.
Sibaningi angithi?
Uzoba mncane.
Mama ngapheka wonke. Vele baningi.
No, sekaphenele. Vele ngibenge ngoba ngithi ngicanga ukubuyisela ugogo. Awudle naleya nyama. Yabo.
Alright. Bengibuthi umuthi ngenza ama-noodles wenze njani? Wenze njani? Katela khele umuntu. Ngempela ngenze wenze. Ish. Yabo mama bezo amahle besibese. Ovela bambufuna nalo ngeke something. Ito ngasoma. Ahambisani la. Sana ngichaza masemhlelo. Mashiko shamashi. Uzamanisi. Ke wavela azingisathi. Oh, uqale. Yeah. Oh. Uthumsuswelana. Mangiphumile kuyamuthana. Oye. Yabo leso siyangicaso leyo.
It's no biggie. You can just pass it to me.
Inetwork yaphethe.
And Mr. P. Look at my new phone, guys.
Are you Zulu? No, I'm colored.
I'm better than
How sholan lan uhlangana how kunjani mfethu ngoba mina la ngiyadlala sengiphikisile shuthi ke I'm British. Yeah, so kodwa uzobona phela ukuthi ubambe ifoni kanje kuzobonakala ngaphandle emokuthi angazi Thank you, Naledi 6592 for following us.
Awubona namhlanje wemndeni uhlezi phela uhlezi khona.
Please follow, guys. Please follow. Hi, Divian. Divian is my moderator. Say hi, moderator. Buba. Divian visuals. Sing. I should tell you that too. Yo. Kodwa if ibona uzobona usivele yiphutha. Guys, I remember followers. Oh. Hey, come on, so. Unaledi 6592 ngathi yangifollowers, yes. So when's it? No, I think we have the same followers. Okay. Kinda. Yeah. Guys, please follow me. Yeah. Cute, Umawak. Thank you, Lou. Love you too. Yeah, guys, so how can you say thank you very much. Thank you, Homozo. There we go. Nothing I'm away. Late. Man, thank you. I just follow you because I love you. Thank you, Melago. Wait, internet. I'm saving it. Come say Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Zach. Thank you, Zach. Thank you very much for the gifts. You guys, thank you, thank you guys for the gifts. Thank you very much. Thank you. Move out the way. Come out the way. Thank you, Palisa Nabonolo. Muhle mawakho, muhle kakhulu. Ngiyabonga. Lapha yikho leyo comment. Thank you, Liam, for following me. Thank you, guys. Thank you, Saints, for the gift. Thank you, Saints. Thank you, Saint. What's it? Enjoy heart. Saint West. Thank you, Konke. Thank you very much for the gift. Thank you, ass. Guys, thank you so much. Stick to me. Why ain't saying stick to me on? How am I to be live? To be live to me. Zophethe ado njalo. Hayi nasicabo sokukhuluma. Naze nabahlanzi makusisa khona. Ngiyambongela. Can you sing for me? Sing for me. Your voice, mom. Ngiyambongela. Thank you, Galore. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Thank you very much. It runs within. Ngimthume ukuthi enze something. Akafuni. Khangisa. Bese nitho enhle kashaw. Niba kahle babes nanog. Thank you, Gade. Thank you, Unbothered Vibes, for sending our rose 32. Hawaii. Man, ukuthayiphile lokho. Angazi ngiphela mina ngisidang sas. Bona ngase prank. Uhlapha about sense roses. Ayifake le rose khona le. Hawu. So it's times 32. Ngayenza lo nto. Bekhona senze nayo ke leyo. Yes. Ngiyithanda. Thank you, Naledi. You're so pretty. Thank you guys. She prank. My angel looks so pretty. Ngiyambongela. It's my mom, y'all. Iyabonga. You prank. Thank you. Please follow, guys. Thank you. I can even spend all day watching Antle and Halloween. Yes. You're so beautiful, Antle. So, what about thank me? You. What about me? I just followed your mom. Yeah, should I have to come out and give me? Yeah, bet. Huh? So, akutholele ngebheki yakho. Hawe, yo guys yabona ngikhelela amanzi nasocela. Yabona nje musathi ngikhelela amanzi. Yabona manje asevela ahamba comment. Uthi mama ngisacela ungikhelela. Siyama sicela usubhale futhi. Child. Qala phansi umcela. Mama. Yes. Ushayisha ngikhelela amanzi. Okay. Waso. Ngiyathandaza. Cela ushayisha shout for Utsiyamo. Tiamo, I love you with my whole heart. So Tiamo, I love you. I do. I love you, Tiamo. Thank you. Oh wait, what's up? How am I? You've just made us rich in one day. Noxolo. Siyabonga yezwa. Siyabonga. Shout out to Noxolo. Amanzi. Sothi konjani ngicela amanzi. Khohlela phela mina. Khona. Nangu Z. Thank you Z. Thank you Z. Thank you Z. Kebonga. Thank you Z. Zingxumana. Hawe kade ngicela i-collab nomshini guys ukunxoxela uthe umama angibhalele umshini okay bengade ngifuna yabo ukusebenza nomshini yabo it was my mom's idea yabo to write an email for her ngicele like a casual collaboration yabo because I've been getting a lot of comments saying I look like her yabo so ngimbhalele i-email hopefully uzoyiphendula yabo funa ukuthi collaborate man hlane ndawonye senza ama videos yeah so guys what do you think? What do you guys think? My mom is a genius guys uhleli eza nama ideas hello ngitshela many hi yo Noxolo Mpele you made our day. You made our day. Our day. Our day. Our days. Wasn't my days? Days. No. You made our day. That's the right hand. Lemon noodles. Hi, Moonlight. Come on. Baby. Oh, alright. Alright. May God bless you more and more. Thank you, Palesa Pinky. Thank you guys very much. Merry Christmas. Satola.
Guys, I'm following Halim.
Oh, Halim, guys.
Halim. More water. You want more water?
Oh, Halima, you guys are so pretty. Thank you very much. Express your appreciation. Thank you, Zim Mkhele. Thank you very much. Guys. Hello, Angel. Hey, Kosana. Thank you. I see it. Guys, I appreciate. What is yabo give until my fans ngama supporters
You guys are like family.
ngempela kodwa yabo angifuni manje senze ngcono. Okay guys, you made us okay bestress ikhona bo uNkulunkulu phela senzile kodwa nisupportile
Ngempela.
nisupportile ngifuna ukhamama ukuthi in 2 months noma 1 month sesino 140 bani uzofika ukwantity nani sofika manje guys. Let us push.
Please follow me, guys. Please follow us. Can you follow? Oh, it's Halim. Yes, please follow me, guys.
Asbayo mfihlelana ba ngani
Shopa. Gwen.
look ngithi ngafuna
Guys, asifuna ukuthi ingane ivelela. Ba-right abantu abadala.
Hey, not Jenny. Wazamuhle mabizo. Thank you, Okuhle. Hi, you so cute. Thank you very much, guys. Please call me. Hello, Palisa Pinky. How are you doing today?
Like those. Yes, it's like a
This is what? Come about.
Api ngayo?
Yeah.
Let's be soda.
Kole say yaba.
Mama. Mama.
I don't want to go to school.
Mama.
Oh, it's in a way. I was not going to go. Wala mabuta.
What's the name of my dates? December 25th.
My day. Yapendula. Hlumelwisa. Uma wakho ngiyamfollow nawe. Thank you Asimahle. Love you like my sis. Thank you Akula for following me. Guys, thank you for following me, honestly. Guys, please be honest. Is she really your mom? Yes. Please say Kiki. Hey Kiki, do you love me? Are you worried? Say you never ever leave from beside me. And I need you. Hi Bo, nothing you bet delayed.
Kiki.
How is that correct? Guys, please tap the screen. Please tap the screen. Tap the screen. Tap the screen. Woo! Tap the screen. Are you so cute, Chim? Thank you very much. I like watching you. Thank you, Lady. You're that girl who did a baby shark video on Instagram. I loved it. Thank you, Mzianda. Shark do. Hey, I loved that video. I loved it. Boom, Kaya Sabila. Yes, Amanda. Who's she? I'm burning sin. Thank you very much. Thank you guys for following me. Please follow me. Please follow me.
Mina enhle kunini ngiziba Nkosi yami sengize ngikhathele comment. Hawu Tsiyama Peppies. Yazi ngikuziba ngabo. Guys, uyabona into lokuthi ama comment uthi siyabuka bese vela nyuki. Kwenza bukani manje kuyenzeka. Yiphi? Peppies Tsiyama yazi. Yes, you guys are so pretty. Thank you, Princess. Princess Majusa. Hey guys, hey. Oh wait. You are ignoring me. No, I'm not, guys, I'm not. What courses are you doing in college? I'm in varsity. And the IoT. You also look cute. Thank you very much. You also look cute. Thank you so much. Yeah, got it. Oh yeah. Got a little too bad. My biggest fan. Jan ma'am, hello. Baby, hello. What? Minha xixi português. Eu não convido. Ungayisho. Hawe, aloke inyukazi mangela. Do you get money from TikTok? Guys, activate kanjani lokho? Yes, sis. Mom, yes. Coffee. Are you cooking, Mom? Yes. Cooking. Guys. Thank you, Are you twins? Sometimes. If we want to. May I be a small daughter? Yes, of course. You two are gorgeous. Yes, you can be my small daughter. Guys, we turn on John Malik TikTok. Love you too much. We love you too, lady. Ufuna ini birthday yako, mama? Ifuna njenge birthday yami. Ngifuna ukuthi bonke abantu abakulowe live abafundayo ngisendela ama reports abo bephasile. Ngizojabula lapho ngizoze ngigiye. I really don't know what I want for my birthday. We love you too, Z baby. Lady. Can I see the nails? Her nails on my nails. Guys, I got them done at the Beauty Spots in Durban, 27 Bram Fisher Road. Can I see the nails? It's a promotional video for Zoe Post, I mean. For my nails. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Birthday, cousin Andre. Move out the way. Move out the way. Yes, I'll simple swabbing. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. How old are you now? How old are you now? How old are you now? Yo, this is ngathi ngifake auto-tune nami-robots namo-AI. Yazi ukuthi phela manje sebelijwayele izwi lami. Yabo khathi ngisaqala ukwenza live baphethe na hawe yazi mina ngangitshela ukuthi u-AI. Ngithi mina hawe akusiwona u-AI izwi lami la ngempela. Ngiphasile ma clap hands for me. Me? Is that me? Have I picked it? Thank you. No, Tsiyama. No. You're all cute. Thank you very much. Nibashi, guys. Thank you, Luba. Pandle mo ngasathuneki. Haw, yathula nje ngani? Haw, uzongenzela ini? Mbukeni ngenzela. Zongenzela ini? Zongenzela. Ek is baie honker.
Dis baie dankie.
Baie is very I am baie very hungry. I am very hungry.
May bona
When
batho, o na le
you are
hlooho.
very thank you. When you are very thank you. Like is
Nga so baie dankie.
baie dankie mevrou. Mevrou. Ah?
No, waarom toch nee? What are you doing?
Dit gaan goed, dankie. En jou gaan dit met u. So this is my kitchen. This is my kitchen. Thank you for following. Entle owasezondela yini? Yes, ngibona wena usenzela i-toast. Okay. Ungenzela kube 2 slices, that's that.
Ngiyazi nje mawucishe lo lando nge 4.
Let's do 1 slice. Happy birthday, Beyonce. Happy birthday, Beyonce. You're not my mother. Your eyes tell a beautiful story. Once upon a time, I had a child. Later on in my life, that child would post me on TikTok and say I'm a strict mom. And that video would go viral. People thinking that we're sisters. Some thinking we're twins. Some thinking we're roommates. But we're not twins. Neither.
Angithi abo aseke le.
Sicela usipheke. Ay, khona babethi singo-rooms.
Kukhona.
Khona babethi nje mina ngina-13.
Buka sesolundi.
Abang, khona babethi nje namanga. Mangibuka ama-comments akho, yebo ama-comments akho namanga.
Ngebe?
Kodwa ngina-13 nje. Le street mom. Le. Babethi na. Khona babethi ena yindaba ningekho ndawonye.
Nakho sesolundi sindawonye.
In my house. And my yays. Hayi. Hayi cha wehlule shame. Vele una 13 years. Hayi kulungile. You two live together. Obviously, she's my child. Unless I want her to live in the desert without water.
Without water.
Because I can't very much do that. Mawusika mina usika islice esincane sizacile kodwa wena muyisikela uthi gebhu into engaka. Wenza into ekanjalo nje vele enhle. Kumfice nje eluma nje. Ukumfica nje eluma cheese.
Yazi.
Ngabo 12 ebusuku.
Yazi buphela.
Athi ngimblock lo.
Sengibhedile ubala uthini?
Uthi ngilokho ebhala izinto selokho esimanje nibala.
Ukhona yini? Khona nomnyazi uthupha kuba. Ngiyanjwa yini?
Ngimyeke.
Ngeke nayo.
Okay.
Vela sikho babi not ugly.
No, I just don't want people to bully you. I don't want people to bully my daughter. Mkhululi nene. Ngiyaxolisa. Okay. You're forgiven, but you're given one last chance. If you bully my daughter again, we ride at dawn.
Angixolele mina because yazi ukuthi uwenzani. Futhi akekho okubuze nge-opinion yakho. Hawe, yazi ngifuna
You make me break this. Please follow, guys. Please follow. Please follow, guys. Can I see your nails? I got them done at the beauty spots in Durban, 27 Brownfisher Road. Can you ask English to make me mod songs about roomies? Because I'm baby and I don't understand. Thank you for the gift. It's where Lapelle. Thank you, Lamavasa, for following. God really took his time creating you and your daughter. California enhle le. Isingiphethe isisu yezwa.
Nami yazi bese ngiqala izolo.
Angazi nokuthi yini ngempela lethambisa isisu sami kangaka mina. Ebusuku nje angilalanga.
Awulalanga.
Angilalanga nje ngempela ebusuku. Ngiphethwe isisu. Ngize ngiphelelwa amandla manje, ngize ngicabanga mhlawumbe ukuthi ngiphuze ilo man. Ngicabanga ukuthi ngiphuze ilo.
Wavy, blah.
Ngiphuze impuphu, something like that. I'm missing music for night.
What's up?
To music for night. I wish it was your daughter. Ha, sure. Yes, and I was a proud mom. Castor oil, mama. Capture oil, huh?
And do you have a specific time where you accept requests? Mina ngwa-accept.
Ukuthi ufuna ukukhuluma kanye nomuntu. If you want to. Mina, I've never done that.
Ngiyasaba.
Ngakwenza ngephutha. Ungasatetazela nje. Hey, wakwenza?
Kokhona
You know, ingane se-primary. Because,
ngisasaba nje.
Ushabanga family just, nami ngifollowishin. Guys, ngicela ningifollowisha nami. Mina nguHalini.
Ngidla ini le nenza ukuthi sinithande kanye kanye. Yazi guys, sesiya kwi-account kamama manje. Sesiyaswitch. Thank you guys for following me. Thank you.
Please follow. Guys, thank you for those who followed. Those who haven't, please do. Guys, please follow Elmina Bonnie.
Bonnie.
Please, guys. Bonnie. Woo. Thank you for following. Never. Guys, let's get 2 more followers before we leave this one.
Thank you. Please.
Thank you, Anna K, for following. Thank you, Matlamini 12 for following. Halima, thank you.
You guys are
Shabang
ignoring
family.
me.
Kusami
I'm so sorry.
H, thank you for following. Cassandra, thank you for following. Amanda Miller, Simtanda Bahleni, thank you guys. Danta, thank you for following. Buja, RSA. Bunny, you're so funny, Bunny.
Bunny, you so funny, Bunny.
Yes, yeah.
Bunny, you so funny, Bunny.
Yeah.
Bunny, you so funny, Bunny.
Yeah.
Bunny, you so funny.
The mother
It's hot, mama. It's
hot mama in the house, y'all. 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 Hey, hot mama in the house, y'all. Hot daughter in the house. The song. Guys, ngicela nihambe niKhalimi njengamanje sizoba live ngoHalimi. Khona into esifuna ukunikhombisa yona ebalulekile. Bye, guys.
I love you too, Ti amo. Bye, guys.
Ti amo.